Alright, I am in my new shed. Calling it a workshop, but it's just a 12 by 24 shed. Huge upgrade from an 8 by 10 shed, which is what I used to work out of. But now this is dedicated to woodworking. Maybe do a full tour a little later when it's not such a mess. But the project that I have at hand today is I need a miter saw stand. And I like everything to be on wheels right now because I'm not real sure where everything goes. So I have this little cart that came with these stainless tables that I bought from an auction, and honestly I was going to just scrap it because it's mostly stainless, but I threw my miter saw in there and I kind of like it. The main problem I have is these little handles right now. They interfere with the feeding in and out of lumber. So my plan is I've got these pieces of cabinet grade plywood, just offcuts. I'm gonna stack them like so and bring the miter saw stand up 6.5 inches or so, and then connect the two pieces on the side, and that should work. So let's get started. That's what we got. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I'm using super high quality cabinet grade plywood and then cut down fence pickets. So perfect match, perfect pairing. But that's what a scrap wood project is. So basically this is what it's going to do on the inside. It's just going to sit there just like that. And the idea that I had is to make some sort of rail system on the sides coming out so they can slide in and out. I know it's a little ambitious. Right now all I need is a miter saw stand up and off of that cart. So let's start there and see. I think I want to put some cross here. I don't know. Let's see what it looks like first. Yeah, Houston, we have a problem. Somebody did not measure twice before cutting. So, to be fair, didn't really look that closely at the fact that this has a lip. So now I get to unscrew one side and chop off a 16th. All right, full transparency. I got it fixed. We got it sitting right in the little grooves on the thing, but where I measured, I did not care about the height of the deck of the miter saw. I only cared about the height of the handle. So now I have a miter saw deck that is, 4 inches higher than it needs to be. But I might try flipping it over and seeing what happens because it looks like it'll fit. Let's try it. Well, sometimes it's better to be lucky than good, I guess. It fits, and the width is right for getting the screws in to screw it down to that base stand, and it gives me all this room, this thickness still, to do an outfeed of sorts. But for now I think I'm just gonna have a miter saw stand. Good enough.